It was third versus first as Everton hosted Arsenal. The first goal came courtesy of a shocking back pass from gunner skipper Jane Ludlow. Farrah Williams stole in, nutmegged Kira Grant and rounded Emma Byrne in style. Super opportunism from Williams. Everton one up on 35 minutes. Kelly Smith nearly equalised before the break. She stayed on side to get on the end of Niamh Fahi's excellent long ball, only to be denied by Rachel Brown's strong arm. One up at the break, Everton almost had a second within 2 minutes of the restart. Dowie with the cross, Scott with the flick and Handley with the finish. Celebrations though were cut short by the assistant's flag. And what a costly flag it was. Before the hour mark, Arsenal were level. Lucy Bronze chopping down Gemma Davison. No questioning the penalty that was awarded, nor the way Kim Little finished it off. Low Harden in the corner, despite the fingertips of Brown. One each. There were 5 points between these two at kick-off. For a while, Everton thought they'd be closing that gap. They retook the lead when Lucy Bronze diverted Tony Duggan's drive past Byrne. The league leaders behind in the Merseyside rain. But they were only behind for 12 minutes, and what an equaliser it was. Jordan Nobbs with her first meaningful touch, scoring one of the goals of the season, having just been sent on by boss Laura Harvey. With the momentum with them, Arsenal pressed for a winner, and they almost found it through another sub. Ellen White flipped it over Bronze, but volleyed over under pressure from Johnson. Everton's own substitute Michelle Hinnigan had their last effort of note. It certainly had Emma Byrne scrambling back, but over the bar it dropped. And that just left one final chance for Arsenal to win it. It came in added time when Kim Little found Ellen White. Alex Greenwood, well placed on the line to ensure a share of the points.